back, Apple made tons of new devices and colors official. This includes the new iPhone SE with same 90s design but A15 silicon 5G and a ceramic shield on top.
The new iPhone SE.
There were some new colors as well, green for iPhone 13 and alpine green for iPhone 13 Pro Max. So this all is exciting, but the device which is gonna change the game is the Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max coming this year. News coming in from South Korea that Apple is gonna use the exact same iPhone 13 style notch, size, chin and side bezel in the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max. So yes, the low-end iPhone 14 is gonna have same last year's design, no shocker in that. But the shocking part is this may mean we may see slightly slim bezels and chin in the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The latest images of display film from China is hinting same, so the eye-shaped hole plus small bezels will be a perfect combination.
That's just incredible.
Some news coming in from display analyst Ross Young. This graph shows that Apple is gonna use eye-shaped dual hole in all iPhone 15 variants. Fun part is he says they may trim it down, make the eye shape small. So for those who don't want to spend that much and can wait for iPhone 15, this is gonna be a nice device cause the iPhone 14 is still coming with a notch, which is quite disappointing. You have to pay more for the Pro variant to get the eye-shaped hole design. Some news coming in from Ming-Chi Kuo. He says that Apple is planning to launch a new 30 watts power brick with integrated gallium nitride late this year. This new 30 watts power brick is gonna have new design and some rumors are this is likely for the Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max. See, right now the iPhone 13 Pro Max can go maxed out 27 watts, which is still slower than OnePlus or Xiaomi, so it is possible that Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max may support 30 watts fast charging.
That's just incredible.
The iOS 16 is gonna play a huge role in the iPhone 14, like how well they'll use that no notch space, and some rumors are the iOS 16 will be all about customization, colors and optimization. The latest iOS 15.4 is coming to Apple devices in coming days. This OS is gonna fix 120Hz issue for third-party applications like Instagram, enable mask Face ID and bring some new emojis. Some news coming in on Apple Watch Series 8, so you may see a boxy finish with flat frame, and Mark Gurman says this is gonna have tons of new features and changes. Apple is planning to launch 3 Watch Series 8 devices, the basic, SE edition and Sport edition. The highlight of this device will be fast CPU and overall interface. The exciting part is body temperature monitor is coming to the Apple Watch Series 8. So this is gonna be a huge change in terms of health monitor. This all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below.